Hey, what's up everybody? It's Cassie Dunn, the builder's wife at Landmark Building and Construction. Super excited that everybody's on this journey with us to just go through the process of building a new construction home from the very beginning, including all the bumps, the bruises, and the wins along the way, all the way to the end, and how the process works, and get a first person perspective on it. So it's an exciting opportunity. Just gonna go through the very first step that we did and what we recommend all of our clients do when building a new construction home is getting very clear on what you want your budget to be. So for us, we already own the lot we're building on. So we know what we spent on the lot, and then now we can go ahead and decide how much we want to spend on the rest of the build, including any lot improvements that need to be made in order to build that home. So when a builder typically gives you a price to build a home, they're going to give you the price typically on what the home itself is going to cost, not the improvements that have to be made along the way to prep the site for the build. So be aware of that. So we decided our lot has no prep work needed. We are close to a sewer and water tap, so we are going to be able to put the bulk of our budget into the house build itself. So we determined that we are really comfortable building a home for $500,000. And how we plan to finance that is to sell one of our investment properties we have in Southgate. So we plan to sell that property and finance half the build with cash. And then we plan to do a home equity line on our current home that we live in, which is from a bank that they will lend us the money against our home for us to use that money towards the purchase. And then when we sell our home, we will pay that home equity line back off. And then we can refinance the home if we decide to at that point and take a mortgage out on it, which is probably what we're going to do. So we decided that is the path for us. However, that's not the path for everybody else. If you've spent any time trying to buy a home or in the real estate industry at all, a lot of different ways to do a lot of different things. And building a new construction home, if you already own a lot and decide to do a new construction home loan, you can qualify for up to 0% down, which means you can use the land as land equity in the purchase, so you have very little closing costs to start that loan process. You can do an all cash purchase. That's the easiest way to do it. Nobody's dictating very much besides the homeowner deciding on that. You can do like us, where you sell an investment property, you take a home equity line of credit. There's a lot of options. So if you have any questions about financing a new construction project, please let us know. We're happy to help you out with that. But we decided this method worked best for our family, and that this is really an opportunity for us to build not our forever home, but our chance to build a home that works for our family, that we're quickly outgrowing, that works for the next 5 to 7 years until we're able to build the home of our dreams. So anyways, keep following along the process. If you have questions along the way, just let us know. And just remember, getting very clear on that budget up front helps you make all the right decisions down the road to make sure that you not only hit the budget, but you're happy with the process. Because being over budget doesn't help anybody sleep better at night. And I know that my husband's got his eye on me because I've been sending him some pictures of stuff, and he is clearly afraid of our budget right now. But anyways, get very clear on that budget, because then your builder's able to help guide you and direct you, not to just get as much out of your build as possible, but really get as much of your style without breaking the bank that you can for your build. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.